Today we talk about how can you enable two-step authentication on your Robinhood app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here or this list. So then you click here on security and privacy here. So then you come to this list and all you have to do, just click here on two-factor authentication, click on it. Then here can you select here if you want to select a method here for device approvers here. So if you want to add it here, so you just click here on here, then like you see it's enabled with us now. Then here device approvers here or text messages. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.